Hi, my thirsty chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. Today I'm going to make a delicious and refreshing drink made out of watermelon, Agua Fresca. All I used to prepare this was a watermelon, a lemon, and some ice. But lime is preferred over the lemon, I just didn't have one. Plus, you're going to need a blender of some kind. With that said, let's get cooking. Wait, let's get blending. Start off by rolling the lemon or the lime firmly on the counter. This helps to release its juices when squeezing. Then cut it in half and save for later. Next, cut up the watermelon. There's many different ways to cut a watermelon. This isn't even my go-to method. It was just difficult cutting it while filming. Excuses, I know. I got it done eventually. You don't need to do much chopping after you've cut it in half. The blender will do almost all of that work for you. Just cut it into small enough pieces that you can fit them into the blender. I'm using my NutriBullet today. Squeeze the juice from half of the lemon into the blender or container. Any more than the juice from half, and you won't be able to taste the watermelon flavor at all. The lemon will just overpower the entire thing. Then add in the watermelon. Try to fit in as much as you can, because we're not going to add in the ice just yet. Blitz to liquefy the melon first, to save room for as much ice as you can as well. Finally, add the ice, and blitz again until you have no ice chunks left. Might take a minute or so to get rid of all the ice chunks. Then pour, add in a slice of watermelon as a garnish, and enjoy. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support you all have shown me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!